Since I was using the test bot, you can't see the stored user attributes here, but if you try it through your website or Facebook chatbot, you will be able to see all user responses containing user attributes here, which helps you create user lists for sending subscription messages and broadcasts, etc. We will be explaining it as a separate lesson. For now, let's create another entity. This time, I will be making an entity of the products I sell. For example, wallpapers, paint, and tiles are the 3 products my store delivers. Saving these values as user attribute and then saving this entity. Now, the fun part begins. We'll be using this entity along with the color entity we created earlier to show you how combinations of multiple user attributes work together in a single message. Pretty cool, no? For this, however, we will have to create a new story. So let's hit Create Story. Selecting Pattern Match in the user message type, choosing Color Entity as my first entity, and then choosing Product Entity. Now, let's create a bot response for this, saying that you can find a variety of colors in all available products. And then select both these entities as variables from this dropdown. This will trigger the user attribute storage anytime a user will include either of these attributes that we have predefined for our chatbot. Click Save, and put this story to the test by hitting the Test Your Bot option. On that note, using entities sums up. We hope you enjoyed learning more about the platform. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Bye!